If you're like me, then it'll make you happy to know that there's an easy way to keep your RV stovetop and oven nice and clean. Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and this is the RV Stovetop and Oven Protector, RP-1943-RP. The stovetop protector is 12 3/4 inch in height
by 17 1/4 inches in width,
with the holes having a 5-inch diameter, and the oven sheet is 12 by 12. A few little features about this: it fits RecPro, Greystone, Furrion, and Magic Chef 3 burners, stovetops, and ovens. It is dishwasher safe and easy to clean with just normal soap and water. And it keeps your stovetop and oven clean and tidy by protecting against spills, splatters, drips, grease, etc. It also prevents scuffing, scratching, and burnt messes while you're cooking. It's created using Teflon-coated fiberglass material, making it non-stick and non-flammable. It is actually heat resistant up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also FDA approved, food contact safe, and BPA/PFOA free. It's pretty simple to use. All you got to do is take off the grate and slap her in. From there you put the grate back on and you're ready to go. If you like what you see and you want to know more, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're cooking on the road, cook with RecPro.